Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to be cleaning my children's bedroom. Now, these kids can mess up a room. You will see. This video actually took me 3 days. I normally use my daughter's bedroom as a place to fold up the clothes once I get them out the dryer and bring them upstairs, and then everybody will place them in their room or put them in their room. But sometimes, every now and then, life gets in the way and you just forget, and I tend to leave them on her bed. Am I the only one that have trouble folding fitted sheets? As you can see right here, I'm going to try to fold up her twin sheet, and I just kind of like do this and then do that, and then somehow it just folds up, and then that's how I normally do it. But I actually want to come up with a better way of how to fold the actual fitted sheet. So here is just a better view of how I just kind of fold some of the clothes. So right now I am using this pink purplish plastic dresser to kind of store all of her clothes right now, which it actually really helps until I get her a nice dresser drawer to kind of match her bed. Every now and then my daughter will go in and take clothes out and just put them anywhere. She has a habit of changing her clothes maybe 3-4 times a day. Do your daughters do this, or any of your children do this? I don't know why she does it, but she don't be dirty or anything. She just changes her clothes. I know this is not the neatest way to put this in here, but in my defense, it was probably around 9 o'clock when I was folding this stuff. We are now starting day 2 into my boys' room. This room. So I go in about once a month and kind of do this cleaning to their room. Honestly, it's just too drained for me. I work a full-time job and I'm not gonna do it. I go in once a month and we'll figure it out once we get there, and I try to stay on them weekly, but every now and then it gets like this. So they are going to kind of help me halfway through the process because this is their room and I'm trying to show them, just how to kind of clean up or just put things away. So all the closets in the house is not functional, where they do not have a pull or anything to hang up, especially their closet. It needs to be redone. Like, again, the house was a foreclosure house, so there were still some things that I need to do on my own to get the house fixed. So right now, if you see the little closet system, that's just a temporary situation so their clothes can be, hung up and kind of somewhat organized until I get their closet done. At this point, my boys were over cleaning, but they're going to do this with me until the end because I needed help with this room. Right now it's the third day. I had a day off of work, so all the kids were at school except for my youngest daughter who's in like a Head Start program, but I kept her home with me. So I'm going to go in and just finish what we started yesterday. I mean, we got a lot done, but I just wanted to complete the process. So right now I'm pulling out these containers. So we have a limited amount of storage. So what I normally do is I'll take these containers and I'll put their out of season clothes in them, which helps a lot. And I just slide them right under the bed, and then when the summer comes I see what they can fit, and we'll switch them out. We are almost at the end of this video, and I just really want to thank you guys if you made it this far. Hit the like button, subscribe, and comment on what you think I can do to come up with a better system to keep the boys from messing up their room.